Good morning guys. Today we are going to discuss about how to download and install Microsoft Office for Windows 10. If we download Office 365, it consists of Office suite like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook and so on. We can install for our PC or laptop for free to get all services. Let's see how to do this. First go to Google Chrome or any other browser you like. Search for Microsoft Play Store. Here we can see Windows apps with Microsoft Store. Click on this link. Here all the related apps of Microsoft are available. Go to search box. Search for Microsoft Office. Next we can see refined results with the different departments. Now our requirement is to download apps. So click on apps. Then you will find different application with prices. Just scroll down for Office application for free. Yes, here we can find Office application for free. Click on this application. Click on Get. Now it is asking for Open Microsoft Store. Click on Open Microsoft Store. Because you are using Windows 10 means the Microsoft Store is already available in your laptop. Then this is the Microsoft Store with Office application. Click on Get. It automatically takes you to sign in page. If you have sign-in details, you can directly sign into your Microsoft account and install the application for free. If you don't have a Microsoft account, then we can create by clicking here, create one. And then we can install the Microsoft Office. This is a free account you can create by using Gmail account. It is just 2 to 3 steps process to create your own Microsoft account. Now I am going to download my Microsoft account by login with my credentials. First enter email ID. Then click on next. Enter password. Click sign in. Then it is automatically verifies the account and install the Office application. You can see this product is installed. Now click on launch button. Now it is asking for you are going with current plan or you are going with the premium plan. Current plan is with up to 5 GB cloud storage we can use. If you want more than that, we should take premium plan. Click close. Here we have Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneDrive and so on applications. If you want to use Excel, click on here. Click on new blank workbook. Here a new spreadsheet is opened. This is the process to download and install the Office for Windows 10 in your PC or laptop. Thank you. For more videos, please follow us, like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys. Thank you.